Managing your contacts is essential, especially if you want to back them up or transfer them to another email service. So Yahoo Mail allows you to export your contacts easily in standard format, making it simple to save them, import them into another email account, or keep a secure backup. So within just a few clicks, you can ensure all your important contacts are safely stored. So in order to do that, open your web browser, go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your specific account, and once you're logged in and you're in the inbox section, click on the contacts icon that is in the right hand side of the screen. Then once you're here, tap on the three dots and you will see the option of export to CSV file, that is between import from another account and print all. A message will appear saying your export will start soon. Once the export is completed, you may need to confirm where you want to save the file and choose a location on your computer, and that's it. This is how you can go ahead and export contacts from Yahoo Mail. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.